In today's video, I will teach you how to create a transparent glass lettering in GIMP. Let's get started. Creating a transparent glass lettering in GIMP involves several steps to achieve a realistic and stylish effect. First, open GIMP and create a new file. Then fill the background with a dark gradient. You can use these colors, for example. Now go to the toolbar and select the text tool and type your word using a nice clear font in a light color. Now select your text layer and set its opacity to 60%. With the text layer selected, use the text tool and click on your text and choose Create Path from Text. Now select your text layer, then go to Layer, then choose Layer to Image Size. Then go to Filters, Light and Shadow, and select Drop Shadow. Now create a new transparent layer above the text layer. Go to Select, then choose From Path to create a selection around your text. Then go to Select, then Feather, and set the feather radius to 10 pixels. Then choose a light yellowish color and use the Bucket Fill tool to fill the selection. Then go to Select, then Shrink, then set the shrink value to 2 pixels, then press the Delete key to cut out the center of the fill. Then set the layer mode to Screen, then create another transparent layer above the previous layers. Then go to Select, then choose From Path to select the text path. Then go to Select, then Shrink, and set the shrink value to 8 pixels. Then go to Select, then Feather, and set the value to 10 pixels. Now, fill the selection with black. Then set the layer mode to Overlay. Now, for the highlight reflection, create the new transparent layer on top of all layers. Go to Select, then choose From Path to select the text path again. Then choose the Ellipse Select tool and set the mode to Intersect. Then make a large selection covering the top half of your text. Then set the foreground color to white. Then select the Gradient tool. Then set the shape to Radial and Gradient to Foreground to Transparent. Then fill the selection by dragging from the top left of the first layer to the lower right of the last layer. Then set the layer mode to Overlay and adjust opacity to 50%. By following these steps, you can create a stunning, transparent glass lettering effect in GIMP, perfect for adding sophisticated touch to your designs. Experiment with different settings to customize the effect to your liking. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.